Hi, this is Whitney Elliott, and this is Preventing Written Expression Disabilities Through Early Intervention for Handwriting and Spelling. Written expression is the ability to convey meaning through writing. It involves low-level skills such as spelling, punctuation, capitalization, and grammar. But it also involves high-level composition skills such as planning, organization, determining content, and revision to express information effectively. Written expression is one of the most challenging tasks for children to learn. Students who experience difficulties in acquiring fluent and efficient writing skills may struggle to generate ideas, construct meaningful sentences, sequence and organize their ideas into paragraphs, and use grammar appropriately. These students may also have difficulty with writing, punctuation, and spelling. According to the National Assessment for Educational Progress, most recent assessment, 14% of fourth grade students, 20% of eighth grade students, and 21% of 12th grade students could not write at the basic level. Also, only 28% of fourth grade students, 27% of 8th grade and 12th grade students performed at or above the proficient level. When it comes to being a skilled writer, you are able to effectively plan, revise, monitor, evaluate, and manage the writing process. On the other hand, students with learning disabilities and struggling writers typically write shorter or incomplete and poorly organized papers. Students with learning disabilities have difficulties with planning, composing, and revision. Time devoted to planning usually involves writing a list of potential content as if it is a first draft. When composing content, students with learning disabilities often approach writing as if it involves a single process. And when it comes to revising, students with learning disabilities tend to confuse revising and proofreading. They often focus on spelling, grammar, and mechanics rather than on refining the meaning and quality of writing. Transcription skills are basic writing skills that primarily include handwriting and spelling. It also includes keyboarding, but in order to be a proficient writer, students must master handwriting and spelling. A study on first graders conducted in 1997 on spelling and writing intervention included 5 treatment options. They include conventional repeated copying of letters, conventional modeling and imitating of motor components in letter formation, studying visual cues for a sequential plan for letter formation, writing letters from memory after increasing delays in how long the letter had retained in the memory, and a combination of treatments 3 and 4. As a result, students in handwriting groups made greater gains than the control group. The most successful students were those who participated in treatment number 4, which was writing letters from memory after increasing delays and how long the letter had retained in the memory. This same group performed better than all other treatment options on the writing fluency subtest from the Woodcock-Johnson Psychoeducational Battery. Another intervention conducted on second graders in 2000 included whole word, alphabetic principle, and onset rhyme training. The alphabetic principle in isolation, followed by a combination of whole word and onset rhyme and word context, resulted in the best learning with an effect size of 1.7 and transferred to untaught words with an effect size of 0.35. There was significant improvement in composition length and spelling accuracy. A third study conducted in 2002 on third grade students included treatments on spelling only, genre-specific essay composing, combined spelling and essay composing, or keyboard training without explicit writing instruction. Treatment that combined spelling led to significant improvement in better spelling and composition, and only combined treatments improved both in spelling and composition overall. Many studies on how transcription skills can affect written expression were implemented for short durations. Longer-term writing outcomes would provide valuable information regarding the cost benefits of various interventions over the long term. This would allow a closer examination of the impact on students' writing quality as students' writing productivity increases developmentally through the elementary grades, which would allow for more information to assess quality indicators. But still, there is a significant problem that at-risk writers face with expressive writing. And an important key to addressing these problems is early instruction in transcription.